Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have May's Beauteque Monthly Beauty Box versus Beauteque Monthly Mask Maven. Do you want to know what I got? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So May's box and bag just arrived, and I do tell you guys they always ship at the very end of the month, so you normally get it the first week of the following month, but with things going on right now, we are getting it a little bit later, which is okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and go, you know what, I'm gonna go in the Mask Maven first because that one's always quicker for me to show you the masks, and then we'll go into the beauty box. So let's go ahead and get into this one. Now, sometimes they'll ship these in the same box, so I get them on the same day, but this time they ship them separately. So I had one of them sitting here for a few days until I got the other one to show you guys both, but now I have it and I can show you. So the Mask Maven always comes in one of these little bags right here, and all of the masks are down inside. This one does have a card, but there's not pricing on the Mask Maven, but there is pricing inside of the Beauteque Monthly. So last month, May 2020's theme is Happy at Home for Mask Maven. Well, they're both the same theme, so they'll both be the same. And then when you open this up, it does go over each of the masks and it talks about the star ingredients and that kind of thing. So let's see. So the first one right on top is this Pure Source Pocket Pack Lemon. So we have one of those. Now we have is a brightening eye patch and then a collagen eye patch. So there's two different eye patches right there. Next we have is a Milk Essence sheet mask, a brightening shine sheet mask, grapefruit sheet mask. What does that say? Moisture chalk sheet mask, cherry blossom sheet mask, and I'm red wine sheet mask. Ooh, I like that. And I do tell you guys that I have been just sticking these in my refrigerator in one of the drawers, and then whenever I feel like, you know what, I want to put a sheet mask on, they feel so much better cold. Now I know why there's these little mini refrigerators, but I just put them in my refrigerator because that's what I do. So that is everything that came in the Mask Maven. These are all of the masks that we got for this month. So let me go ahead and set these aside and we will get into the beauty box. So let's see what we have in this month's box. Feels kind of heavy. There's what it looks like inside, and again, Happy at Home is the theme, which I am fine, happy, safe at home. I'm not stuck at home, I'm safe at home. So this does again go over all of the products with the pricing. So let's see here, let's rip the tape. Ooh, this might be what all of the, maybe the heaviness is. This is a big size container. This says Avocado Body Cream by the Sam, which does come in this box quite a lot, and I do enjoy all of their products that I've used so far. So here is a big old body cream. It's Avocado Body Cream. That looks interesting. Now this right here is retailed for $14, and it says apply a small amount of the product onto your body and use gentle circular motions to rub in. Avocado deeply penetrates the skin to nourish, soften, and hydrate. And there is that. So there's item number one. Okay, so the next item in here says Blank Care Body Peeling Spray. What in the world? I'm not sure. There's that. This would have been one of two items. It would have been a peeling spray or a smooth body peeling mist. So one of the two, it has to do with peeling. This says you will receive one peeling mist style, and it says this spray is easy to use, but packs a huge punch. Get rid of dead skin and dirt clogged in pores of your body with this peeling mist. Both products are gentle enough to use on sensitive skin, so no matter which one you get, you'll be feeling smooth all over. Before use, shake, spray, Hold spray away from the body and lightly mist into the needed area. Rub product into skin and wait until you see flakes of dry skin and then rinse off. So it's like an instant thing. Wait until you see flakes of dead skin. So, oh my goodness. It must really pack a punch. It must be that potent. Oh my goodness. Apply product on dry skin, massage and rub, and using fingertips to exfoliate and rinse with warm water. That would probably be good like on your elbows or your bottom of your feet. So there's that, and this is valued at $15. So then the next thing, there's a few things in here. This one says Good Night White Sleeping Mask, Special Solution. This is valued at $16. So this says apply an even amount of the product to your face and neck as the last step of your skincare routine. Wear it to bed and wash it off in the morning. White mulberry root extract brightens the skin and fades the appearance of dark spots. So this one you would have to rinse it off in the morning, and this is valued at $16. And let's see what it looks like. So there's the actual product inside. All right. Oh, and this one, if you wanted to see, okay, so I have the spray bottle one. Yeah, I have the spray bottle one, and you shake it and I'm kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of like intimidating that it's gonna instantly flake your skin. I'll try it. So this one right here says anti-stress cooling spray. And this guy here, I do not see on here. No, I don't see this on here. Unless they go to the back page. Nope. I don't see this on here at all. So I don't know what this is valued at. I'm not sure. But it is a cooling spray. And that is what it looks like. Does it have anything on here that I can read that's in English? Nope, nope, and nope. And nope, definitely not on there. So nothing is on here in English, so I don't know. I'm gonna just assume that it's a cooling spray. So I'm assuming it's just like a face spray to cool you down. I don't know, it doesn't say anything on here, so, but that's cool. We get an extra item. I'm not gonna complain about that. So this says lip and eye makeup remover pads, blue calming formula. And this is by the Sam. And so there's that. And this is valued at $8.50. And it says, before starting your skincare routine, use these pads in gentle circular motion across the face to remove excess makeup. Peach flower extract revitalizes and brightens up your skin, which is the star ingredient in them. So that's really neat. So there's that guy. So we have two more products in here. So for this particular box, you always get one mask that's included. So in the beginning, that's why I just went to this one, because I was always going to get a mask. And then I started bringing Mask Maven on as well, because I love sheet masks. And then I wanted to show you guys the difference. So in this box, you always get one type of mask. It could be any type of mask. So this month we got Shiny and Soft Foot Peeling Mask. And these are always really good, especially now that summer's coming in and a lot of people are going to be wearing sandals or bare feet. So you definitely want your feet on point, looking good, soft and shiny. So this is valued at $5, and it says wash and dry your feet, apply the mask and leave on 1 hour. After removing, rinse your feet with warm water. Your dead skin cells will start peeling away in 1 week. So there's that. And then the last item in here, you guys, is a beauty tool. It says Brow Class, Mini Brow Class, and this is valued at $8. It says eye mask or eyebrow scissors. So you would have got the eyebrow scissors or a sleeping mask. It shows right here, the sleeping mask or that. So the eye mask, the eyebrow scissors, this is wet the brows to help shape them and trim them carefully. And either one would have been valued at $8, and this is the one that I got. So adding up my total retail value, I will put that right here. That would be the total retail value for this entire box. But going over everything again for the beauty box, we have the eyebrow tool, we have the foot mask, we have a skin peeling product. We have a night sleeping mask. We have the makeup remover and this big old thing of body lotion. This is a really good theme, especially going into summer, because being in the sun and getting your skin either burned or dried out, this is a really good box to help rejuvenate your skin and keep it moisturized. So I'm actually really excited about this box. And yeah, so that is the difference between both of them. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of them this month? What did you think of Mask Maven? What did you think of the beauty products that are in the beauty box? Do you get this? Let me know. All the details down below. If you want to check them out, I do have them linked below. But if you want a little bit more information about them, the beauty box is $24 a month. Shipping is an addition. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $23. If you do 12 months prepaid, it brings it to $22, but shipping is always in addition. And that one, you will get 6 full-size products delivered to your door monthly. Receive an assortment of skincare, makeup, body and hair care, and much more, starting as low as $22. Again, if you prepay for the whole year. Mask Maven is 9 unique hand-picked sheet masks delivered to your door every month. Also contains wash-off masks, eye and lip patches, hair masks, and more. That one's $15 a month if you do month to month, $14 if you do 6 months, $13 if you go to 12 months, and shipping is an addition as well. If you order by the 15th of the month, you get that month. If you order after the 15th of the month, you get the following month. But again, they do ship at the very end of the month or the first of the following month for your box. So you're kind of always a month behind if you look at it that way. But I've been getting this for over 2 years, and I mean, I have not complaining really so far. I normally do enjoy their boxes, and I use their products, and I enjoy all the products. So that's why I keep bringing it on and keep buying it to show you guys. So there you go. So that is everything, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Again, your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.